Hey you guys, I am so excited to share with you this amazing skincare system. It is called Phoenix Bliss, and I'm not even kidding. Every single step has more amazing ingredients than the next. We've covered a lot of skincare things on this channel before, and this is by far my favorite. I'm just in love with the thought and care and the variety of amazing ingredients included in all of these products, and just how comprehensive this system is. It covers everything. We've got so much to talk about. Let's kick it off right now. First of all, step one, as you know, with pretty much any skincare regimen, is going to be cleansing. So with Phoenix Bliss, they call this their RESURRECT. It's facial ocean cleanser. It's inspired by the ocean, obviously. It's got sea moss and aloe seawater extract. This cleanser, what I really like about it is it's not just stripping your skin of impurities and dirt and oil. That's a good thing, but this part of that is that if you strip everything from your skin, a lot of your skin needs some of those oils and some of those things to, function properly. So this is going to be a formula that is really balanced and able to get the stuff that you don't want on your skin off without stripping everything. So it's really, really natural, gentle, and is going to be great for leaving your skin in great condition even after getting a really thorough cleanse. So after cleansing, you go to step 2, which might be one of my favorite steps. This is called RESURGE. It's their facial mist elixir. It's got carrot oil, raspberry seed oil, a lot of other ingredients. It smells amazing and it feels really good. This is going to be a toner step, which is just going to prep your skin and get it ready to fully absorb everything to come, your serums and your moisturizer. What I really like about this one is that you can use it during the day as just a refresher. Smells so good. I just find that it's great if I'm going to do a video, or I'm on a Zoom call, or I'm just running out of the house and kind of just want a little extra glow, a little extra lift to my skin. It's feeling kind of tired or dull. This is my go-to. I'm loving it. I know you guys will too. I find that a lot of times toners can be really harsh on my skin. It's pretty sensitive. That has not been the case with this elixir at all. It makes my skin feel amazing and so ready to absorb all of the good ingredients in the serums. So let's get to step 3. That is the REAWAKEN, and this is their facial luminous serum, and it is exactly that. It makes your skin feel so good. And it's a big bottle for serum if you think about it. This has plant stem cells. It's the wrinkle lifter. It's going to even your skin tone and texture, restore your elasticity and firmness. This is kind of your step where you are really getting all of the active ingredients in. This is the good stuff. This is what you're here for. You've cleansed your skin, you've prepped it to fully absorb everything that you want, all of the good stuff, and this is that good stuff that is going to really, really treat your skin, get rid of those wrinkles, fix your age spots, fix your dullness, your dryness. It's also going to be a great bridge to getting your skin ready for the next step, which is your moisturizer. So step 4 is kind of where you're gonna take one of 2 paths in the Phoenix Bliss skincare system, which is so cool that you know that it's really personalized and really something that they have thought out for all kinds of different skin types. So you have your moisturizing step. If you have more oily skin like I do, you're probably gonna wanna go for the Facial Luxe Cream. If you have very dry skin, you probably will choose the Facial Luxe Oil. I've tried them both, I've used them both. love them. The oil is probably a little bit too much for me on a daily basis, but if I'm having kind of more of a dry skin day, it's winter, those happen. I love the oil too. It just has a really great feel to it. The cream is really my go-to for every day though. I'm really loving them. So the cream has CoQ10, an amazing ingredient, so cool, and coconut oil. It is a luxury moisturizer. It's going to feel like you're just gonna feel amazing when you put on your skin. I totally love it. I've been able to use it at night and during the daytime, and it layers and goes on underneath your makeup perfectly, really smoothly. It's going to fill in your wrinkles, diminish age spots, totally eliminate dry skin. And for my oily skin, it is regulating that oil production and making sure that I'm not overproducing oil. As far as the facial Luxe oil, this has turmeric oil, more carrot oil, strawberry oil. This is just got all of your good oils put in there together, and it just makes your skin so soft and shiny and luxurious. Like, it is really, really amazing. If you have dry skin, you are really gonna love it. This oil is also something that you can use on different parts of your body. It's great for eczema, it's great for psoriasis. If you have other skin issues, this is something that is going to be so soothing and really healing. Trust me, you're gonna wanna check it out. Your last step is this guy right here. What skincare system would be complete? Well, this is not the last step. This is the last step on your face that's going to complete it. This is your eye cream, or excuse me, your radiating eye gel. This can also be used all over your face if you would like, because it's just full of amazing ingredients. Again, just like every step of this, ingredients are king, and this guy is reigning supreme. It's got cucumber, vitamin E, green tea. It's like a spa day for your eyes that you can go to every single day. It smells amazing, it feels amazing, just very, very cooling. It's lightweight, it's a gel, it's going to just go on really, really smoothly. Again, something that you can use easily under makeup, and it looks great. It is just something that covers all of your eye issues, whether it's, you know, kind of your crow's feet, your wrinkles, if they're puffy, red, or dark circles under your eyes. This is great for all of that. Finally, we have the revitalize step, and I think this is so cool, you guys. This is something that is used for, finally we have revitalize. This is your hand and body cream. And this is a hand and body cream that has your anti-aging properties, your, like, again, like I said, the Matrexyl 3000. It's got collagen boosters. It is an anti-aging body cream, hand cream. So important. You can't lie about your age on your hands. So that's something that you definitely want to fight the age spots and the wrinkles, boost that collagen production, and keep your skin, especially that on your neck, your décolletage, hands, make it look great. This hand and body cream is going to be so good for that. I've had really dry legs this winter, and just one use of this, and I'm so impressed, so in love. It feels amazing, it's soothing. You guys are going to absolutely love it. So, Phoenix Bliss, you guys check it out. Take care of your skin. It is a new year, new you, great time to have goals, and what better way than to set the goal of just taking better care of yourself and taking better care of your skin, doing something for yourself, or maybe buying a great gift for a friend. I definitely recommend Phoenix Bliss. You guys check them out, and I'm going to definitely leave all of their links in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Hit the notification bell. I always love hearing from you. And send me an email at 911rockstars@gmail.com if you'd like to chat about anything. You guys stay safe and have a great Happy New Year.